heck? What's my intro? Hey my Yannanators, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, hey. If you're returning, hey girl. So today is the 15th. We live in the day. Don't mind my hair. It's starting to get rough, but it's okay because I'm not redoing it, okay? Period. Right now, I'm at work trying to get this damn system to restart. Y'all see this skin? This skin is doing okay right now. Why is my camera so foggy? Probably not. So, I have nothing ready. Stuff is washed. Like I told y'all, I think I told y'all at the beginning of this video. Everything is washed, but I have nothing packed. I don't have nothing packed, and I'm not shaved, and I haven't done my feet, and I haven't done my nails. I have one more day, which is tomorrow. And well, after today is tomorrow. But I think I'm gonna get him some sandals that like Velcro around the feet. Those sandals are fine, but I just want to get him another pair because he's been wearing those ones all not being prepared. Like, girl, you want to be doing last minute stuff? So cute. And I got him these cute little uncle/dad sandals at a cookout, and I got these shorts for him. So we'll probably match this day with these outfits, and we'll take pictures. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures, so y'all gonna see it. Make sure y'all go over to my IG, Yanna_mom. You will see me clicking it up. Might even do like a little video thing for us. I got him this outfit, which is these shorts, because they were really cute with this shirt. I think this is gonna look great on his skin. Get some pics in that too, because melanin goes with everything. Make sure you're washing up, baby. And then wash up. And we got this fit. I just thought this one was so cute. He got another one in my drawer that I'm gonna get out. It's these dinosaurs. Y'all know he loves dinosaurs. Those are shorts. And I thought this was cute because it says, no more likes. No one likes a shady beach. But it's like a bitch, like shady bitch, but it says beach. I thought that was cute. I got that one for me, for him to wear. I just thought that was cute. He had to wear it to school 1 week because, you know, and these are the shorts. He might wear this the day we leave, the morning we leave, because our flight is early, y'all. We got to be to the airport by, or Uber comes and picks us up at 3:30. These are just some regular shorts. So shorts, I got 1, 2. Okay, so I got 4 fits. That's all I need. I just need now 2 shirts to go with that. These burger shorts is when I'm wearing. We leave with my tie-dye shirt and probably my Crocs, because when you go to the airport you can do that. And honestly, probably just this sports bra. I'm gonna take an actual bra with me, but I probably won't wear it for the trippy trip. I need to find my damn McLovin shirt and my what's it called, shirt. So these are my drawers and my pajama shorts. I got this. It doesn't say Pizza Party, it said Pizza Planet. It's from these shorts instead. These pajama shorts instead for pajamas. Only need 1 pair of pajamas. It won't need all that. Sorry y'all, I had got a text message. I have so much shit to do. It is ridiculous how much shit I have to do. I gotta sit right there. I booked it early because, you know, I was trying to get that little deal, you know what I'm saying? Get that little deal. a little lower cost. Makes everything great. So right now, I'm gonna wash up these friggin' dishes. Like, who be in my house? Who be using up all these? I'm going to, like I said, right now, I'm washing my dishes currently. I normally do like some dishwater, but I don't know how to. So I'm just gonna wash up these dishes. Yep. Wipe these counters down. I swept the little kitchen area that y'all seen for my kitchen. I swept that little part. When I come back with Aiden, I'm going to vacuum when I come back. So what I'm doing before I leave is washing up these. Wash first. Y'all wash all y'all silverware first, or what do y'all save for like last? Like, I save pots sometimes for last. I really don't like washing silverware, but the bag is packed. I'm only taking a carry-on. I am going to go get. I'm gonna see. How do you feel about your first flight? You excited?
Yeah.
Look up, please. I'm recording you. How do you feel? Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the beach.
Mhm.
High five. We're gonna have fun, right?
Yes, Mom.
Let's do it.
Oh, let's do it.
We're waiting for the Uber now. It's coming. So yeah, I'll come back on here once we're on the plane before we take off.